Welcome everyone, I have 3 parcels right in front of me and I don't know which one is which. I think this is the one I want to unbox first, and this should be an iPhone 4 24 karat gold iOS 4 2010 model. However, if it isn't, then obviously then I look like a fool, and you know, you'll see the title to see what it is. So I've got my trusty knife right here, and let's get right into the unboxing. So I can't remember what else I bought, you know. I was doing random bids on eBay for the fun of it, and I won some of them. So yeah, this wasn't a bid though, I actually intentionally bought this. And this is an iPhone SE. Now, okay, when did I buy an iPhone SE? That's kind of crazy, I can't remember. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Is this the 4? There it is. Okay. Here it is. Okay, I thought that was the 4S I bought. This is the iPhone 4. Alright, here it is. So I looked at this. I've never owned a box before. I see 2010, 16 gig. But this is very special. Oh, look at this. It's not in mint condition like the picture showed. 24 karat gold edition. If it's not a mint, that means it's used. Which means that, oh, this could be running iOS 7. Oh, fuck. Didn't think of that. You see, the seller said that this was a completely new, you know, never used, like just unboxed. But, you know, if there's scratches on it, that means it's actually used. Okay. So if you're actually wondering, there is actually a 7-gram bounty on this exact device for it to be returned, but I'm not going to be returning it. So if we take a look here, why on earth is there a UK charger if this is an AT&T model? This looks like the original one. I think this was just shoved in. This is very weird. Let's have a look at this. Designed by Apple. And if we just go through this, so you can tell someone's opened this before. SIM ejector, iPhone 4. Let's take a look at what software we should be expecting if it was never updated. Should show voice control means I don't know, to be honest. It looks like iOS 5, but it could be iOS 4 as well. Voice control, was it in iOS 4? I don't know. Now, let's, I'm going to charge this. I do have a charger. And I'll let you guys know if I'm going to be disappointed or not. So I'm going to charge this device now. Right guys, moment of truth. So I've just put this on the charger. Hopefully we get enough power. So there is no power right now, which means that it was probably turned off for quite a long time, which is kind of a good sign if we want it on an old firmware. Alright guys, I've had this video sitting on my camera for 2 weeks. I can't find all the footage I need, so I'm just going to summarize this video, right? So this is the 24 karat gold iPhone 4, and after a lot of back and forth with the seller, a couple of things were known. So first of all, I don't know if I showed it, but this device is unfortunately not running iOS 4, but instead it's running iOS 5.0. I think it's 5.1 and 5.1.1. So you can see it's actually 5.1 right here. So not quite iOS 4. However, because it's an 8 gig, this is actually the very first firmware that the iPhone 4 came with. So I guess that's pretty cool. However, one unfortunate thing is the box doesn't actually match the phone, because of course this is an 8 gig, not a 16 gig. Also, another thing as well, if I just get rid of this thing, there was a charging cable here. The charging cable didn't actually work. The actual plug itself does look OEM, but the charging cable did not work, so that's another thing to note. And because this wasn't the same you know, device as the box, this actual back of the box has a bounty of 6 grand if you return this phone. Unfortunately, I thought, you know, some rich kid had this iOS 4 iPhone 4 which was stolen from them. No, that's not the case. The box is completely different, which is a shame. Yeah, so that's really all there is to it. I did get a partial refund because it isn't quite as described. It is a bit of a shame. There was also the seller's personal information. Let me just check if it's still there. Yeah, okay, the personal information is still there. I did send it to the seller, so we are all good in that regard. It's a bit unfortunate, but in the future, what I will do is, because the gold isn't the best, there's like some scratches here and there, but the screen is perfect. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a housing swap. I'm going to try and find an iOS 4 iPhone 4, preferably on iOS 4.3, do a housing swap, and I have this 24 karat gold iPhone 4, and then that's going to be a lot cooler. So hopefully this quick video, make sure to leave a like. See you guys later. Bye bye.